Hello world, I'm here to teach you about how to create gradients and use the gradient transform tool in Adobe Flash CS4. The first thing we need to do is go to our Flash toolbar, select Windows, and select our color menu. Here we have the option to create two types of gradients, linear, which vary left to right, and radial. That's the color change in circular motion. So let's go back to linear, and you can see we have these selectors. If you double click on them, you can change its color using this pad or using this pad. You can also enter its RGB value, the transparency you want, its hexadecimal value, and you have this bar on the right to help make it brighter or darker. Same thing applies to all of these. And if you want to add another color, all you need to do is click on it when you have this mouse tool that shows the plus sign, and see how I've just made that one. Same thing applies. Double click, choose the color you want, boom, you're done. Also, you can drag these and it'll change like the concentration or the how much the color spreads out. So let's make it somewhat equal. Alright, and let's go to our film bucket, and boom, there we go. If we want it to be radial, using the same settings, radial, everything's the exact same, except you can see it's more circular, the left being the inside and the right being the outside. Select it, and there you go, you have a radial gradient. So now let's use the gradient transform tool. To get that, let's go to where you find the free transform tool, click, but hold down your mouse, drag your mouse, and then let go at the gradient transform tool. So its shortcut is also F. So click on the objects, whose color you want to change, and you can see here this dot in the center helps us reposition where the center is of your gradient. This right here helps you widen and narrow down your gradient so you can create an ellipse, a good circle, or you can make it super wide. Yeah, let's go back to where it used to be. This helps you just expand your gradient so you can focus more on the center, close it in, so you can just spread it out accordingly. And then this right here, you can rotate it. Usually is more handy in linear, but let's rotate it back, or let me readjust the center so you can see more easily. Well, yeah. So if we choose the so let's go back to color, and let's go back to the window, choose our color, and make it linear. Alright, same thing, so get the gradient transform tool, click on the color you want to alter. This same tool is used to rotate it, and you'll notice that it rotates around the center point. So if you move the center point here and then rotate it, it's like the pivot point, or it just pivots around that point. Center point helps you move it. Same thing with the radial, that's used in rotation. And to help in this tool, right here, helps you spread out the color, and then if you want to go finer into the certain colors that you have chosen, so that's handy. And basically that's all you need to know about gradients and the gradient transform tool. Thank you.